Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my good biryani. So let's get started. First we need yogurt to marinate our goat. You can swap with the chicken or any kind of meat you like to. Now I'm adding a yogurt, turmeric, garam masala, salt to taste, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, and a little bit tandoori color to add. Add a little bit of coriander and chopped mint. Add few drop of rose essence, or you can add rose water if you like. So let this marinate for at least 3 to 4 hours in the fridge. So you need at least 4 cups of rice. Soak them for at least 20 minutes, and please collect all the ingredients which is displayed on the screen. Once you collect all these ingredients, you will need tomato, coriander, mint, onions sliced up, and 2 eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add your cardamon, cloves, and peppercorn mix. Add 2 starnaise, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, and add your bay leaf. Add 1.5 liter of water. Strain your soaked rice. Add it to the water which we prepared earlier. So we want that rice to be cooked only 70%. Now in a pan we need oil to fry our onion. So yeah, you can fry your onion till golden brown. Once your onion is fried, leave them on a side. We need a hot pot. Cook our marinate goat with the tomato. Cook them for at least 10 minutes. Add your 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix gently and strain them. Now your goat is almost cooked for 10-15 minutes. Put 1 layer of rice. Add your mint and coriander. 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves. Add your crispy fried onion. And next layer we need to put remaining rice. So crispy onion, mint and coriander chopped up on the top. Add your saffron color. So just saffron with a little bit of water. Cover them with the aluminum foil and put the lid on. Cook them for 10 minutes in a high heat. After 10 minutes, put the pan on the bottom, and in a small heat cook another for 30 minutes. We need water with 2 eggs. Boil them for 8 minutes and your eggs is ready. So for biryani we need raita. So let's make our raita. We need 1 cup of yogurt, just a little bit of salt for a taste, little bit of chili powder, and just a little bit of cumin ground. We need chopped onion, chopped carrot, and chopped cucumber. So mix them all. Your raita is ready now. Was making a raita. My eggs are ready, which I cooked earlier. So let's spill these eggs, and our biryani is not too far. Rest your biryani for 20 minutes before you serve. Hope you like my recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.